In this video, we shall be talking about the deployment part. In the previous videos, we have already talked about the business understanding, the data preparation, modeling, evaluation, and all those things. However, evaluation is something that I haven't covered in depth, but imagine evaluation is nothing but you are evaluating your models, whether your model is performing well on testing data or not. In simple terms, if you have 1,000 records, you divide your data into training and test, let's say 800 and 200. In this 800, you are creating your model, and 200, you are predicting it. That means 200 data is unseen data for your model. Your model does not know about this data. And imagine your model's accuracy is 85%. Similarly, you create multiple other models, model 1, model 2, model 3, and you compare the results. That means you evaluate the results. Let's say model 3 is best. What we do is we take it and try to deploy it. Deploy means it is user ready. That means you are deploying the model. That means in future, if the next transaction comes in, it will directly go through model 3 and it will start predicting. That's all about your deployment. Now, deployment is majorly of multiple types. You can talk about on-premises deployment, and you can also talk about cloud deployment. Now, which technique we usually use, it all depends from company to company. If your company has an on-premises setup, on-premises simply means a setup on your local servers. If you have an on-premises setup, you can deploy it locally in some server. If you are using cloud, maybe AWS or Azure or GCP, you can do a deployment on those kind of cloud platforms as well. But ultimately, deployment is something where we are taking the entire model and deploying it. That means the users or the clients will start using these models in a live environment. That's all about deployment. So again, there are various steps inside deployment. Let's not get into that right now. Probably in some of our future videos, we will be talking about it. In the next video, we will be taking a small example of one of the data analytics use case. My special use case, which I usually talk about, is customer churn analysis. I will be using that particular use case and I will show you how does a data analytics environment looks like, what a data analytics team do, and then how does a data science team work on that particular project, and how do we engage and enact. So that's going to give you a broader overview of how our entire data science and analytics project looks like. Stay tuned. That's all about this particular video on deployment. We'll see you in the next video where we will talk about an example.